Good day everyone, my name is Marshall Angana and now I will discuss about Sorsogon. So the the first tourist attraction is World War II Japanese tunnel. It is a tunnel that used as weapon storage of Japanese. It is preserved to become a tourist attraction. So sauna is mga tagaan siya mga tao, mga weapon storage ito. Then, karon isa na sa mga tourist attraction. So next is Museo Sorsogon. So, Museo Sorsogon is old provincial jail. Yeah. Karaan rin sa prison sa una and karon pursued by the government to become a museum. So, karon ihiwa na sa museum na dito karaan nga maso o tig ka ng mga maanan ginig mga sundang mana siya. So next is Panumbangan Sandbar. So Panumbangan Sandbar is one of the best beaches aside from the ocean view. It also presents review and Tumayon and Bulusan volcanoes. So di anindot kaya yung mga sandbar maputi kayo. So next is people. So the people in Sorsogon are called Sorsoganas. They are warm and friendly and hospitable and also Bicolanos and Waray people who possess the rich cultural history. Nadia Maoray, Bicolanos. Yeah. Next is dialect. So their common dialect in Sorsogon is Waray. For example, anong oras matikang? Ano nga oras matikang? So in English, what time does it start? So another example, busog na ak. So in English, I'm already full. So next is tradition. So the first one is Holy Week lore. So one of the Sorsoganas traditions is Holy Week lore, where people come home and connect with their hometown. So, taga Holy Week, magparid sila. Next is Star and Parol. It is the traditional keep alive in Sorsogon. It is a symbol of hope. So, muna siya. So next is God and Likasis. So, the first one is Pinangat. So, Pinangat is this made sa coconut, cream, crab, and meat, crab meat, and labuyo wrap in gabi leaves. So, meat is mga coconut, puto siya sa gabi leaves, na. So, next is pinakbet. So, pinakbet is made of eggplant, okra, string, beans, and other vegetables with fermented fish. Kuan siya, mix eggplant, okra, beans, banana. Next is Bicol Express. So Bicol Express is a pork-based storage by coconut milk and chili peppers. So mixes mga coconut milk and tinunuan nga pork. So muna ilang mga usa sa ilang pagkaon dito nga sikat ang Bicol Express. Next is Kasanggayan Festivals. So Kasanggayan Festivals means for prosperity, which brings together the festivals of the different province in Bicol. So held siya to October 1 to 30.